Hello everyone, how is everything? I hope you are doing okay. Inshallah today I hope we are going to talk about the surface area of triangular prism. This is our lesson for today for this week number 3, and here is our lesson overview. And here is the important for our lesson starter. You can work in it and you can solve it, and if you want any help you can contact me, and I'm trying to help you with solving this startup. Our objective for today, we are going to work on how you can create a net to represent the triangular prism and use it to find surface area. Okay. After that, this our big question: how can the prism P unfolded to make a two-dimensional net? Okay. Here our vocabulary for today: the surface area and the triangular prism. After that, we are going to have a definition of surface area and the triangular prism. As we know before, what the meaning of the surface area of triangular prism. The surface area meaning I'm going to find the area of all the faces, then adding together it will give you the surface area. Okay, for example here, if I have this shape or this figure, as you can see, this one called triangular prism. And ask yourself, why you call this one triangular prism? Call this one triangular prism because here, the base here, it's like triangle. Here the base, this one is triangle. That's why we called this one here, this one triangle. That's why we called this one triangular prism. We call this a shape, especially the 3D, depend on the base. Like for example here, the base here, the triangle. That's why we call this one triangular prism. Okay, as you can see here, if you ask yourself how many faces here you have, here you can have 5 faces. So that how can I find the surface area? We need to find the area for each face, then add it together. So that you have here this one, as you can see here in front of you, this one triangle, and also on other side this one triangle, and this here, as you can see here in the bottom, here it will be here rectangle, and the two sides also you have here rectangle and here rectangle, and you have also another the rectangles at the bottom, so that you have 5 faces. Here I draw and label a net to represent triangular prism. What is the first thing you are going to do? We are going to make a net, and you are going to compose the figure so that we can find the surface area for this shape. Let's do this one. Here, the step number 1, draw and label the bottom rectangular face and the two triangular bases. Okay. Let each grid unit present 1 foot. The bottom face is rectangle, so that as I told you, the bottom is rectangle with side lengths of 12 feet and 15 feet. The bases are triangles that have the base here, as you can see here, this one here, this triangle there. You have here the base, here 12, and here the height it will be 15. As you can see here, we are going here to draw this one on the net to compose or to showing the this figure after we are going to break up all the faces, so that here the base we have two bases, they are same exactly because both of them they are triangle, they are congruent, meaning the area for this triangle same exactly the area for the second triangle. Here, check there. So that here, this is the second step. We drew on top of the side rectangular, so that you have the side, two sides, here sides, and also you have another side. It will be also shown in step number 3. The side face is rectangular with side length here. Here the side length is 15 feet, and here also here 15, and here 5 feet. For this side you have rectangle with length and width. Okay, let's go for step number 3. This is the final shape after you are going to compose the rectangular prism. So that it will be here, as you can see here, the side and the top and the bottom here and the base here and the base here. Okay, so that I make a net to represent the rectangular, sorry, the triangular prism. Okay, triangular prism. Okay, so that here I can find the surface area. What you will do, what you will see so easy now. You can work on it. Okay, you can find the area for this one. You are going to multiply 15 by 13 because this one rectangle, and we know already the area of rectangle. We are going to multiply the length by width. Here is the bottom. It will be also 12 multiplied by 15, and also here the rectangle, the triangle. We know already the area for triangle. It will be NOS 1 out of 2 pH, 1 out of 2 pH, or pH divided by 2. So that I need to find also the area for this side, and we know this side also rectangle. We are going to multiply the length by width. Okay, so that here this area it will be same this area because both triangles they are same, or I will call this one congruent. Okay, and then find the area of all. Adding together, it will give you the surface area. There is some example from our life. Here you can read this one and try to work on it. Same, exactly same the other one, and try to find the surface area. Here some example coming from test practice before. Here he give you already, he composed already the figure of triangular prism. I need to find the surface area of this shape. Okay, and here some also you can use the net to also compose this shape, you know, to find the surface area of this shape. Okay, that's good. So that you can complete your homework online. Draw and label the net to represent triangular prism. So that I need to know the important thing for you to know it. And the triangular prism consists of 5 faces, 2 triangle. They are also same, and after that we have three rectangle, but they are different. They are not same. If you want to find the surface area, or sometimes you call this one SA, find the area for this triangle and then multiply by 2 because this one and this one same. Find the area for this one, find the area for this one. Then after that you are going to add them together. It will give you here the surface area of this shape. This our your turn. You can work on it. Okay, you can work in this activity. You have activity here one. You can here it's already, as I told you, here the triangular prism, and already he decomposed it for you, and you need only to find the surface area. And there is also another activity too, and also another third one. We have activity number 3. You can work on it, and really it's a so nice activity. You can solve it, and if you want any help, you can contact me. And this is our lesson for today. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.